BMW Engine Survival. Episode 6. You're overheating your BMW without realizing. Most BMW engines don't overheat the way people expect. There's no steam, no dramatic warning light, no sudden breakdown on the side of the road. Instead, the engine runs slightly hotter than it should, over and over again, until internal damage becomes irreversible. This is one of the most misunderstood killers of modern BMW engines. Because today, overheating isn't a single event. It's a pattern, and most BMW owners never realize they're doing it. If you drive a BMW, petrol or diesel, turbo or naturally aspirated, city or highway, this episode may explain problems you didn't even know you were creating. Quick reminder before we start: if you want your BMW engine to survive 200,000 to 300,000 miles, not just feel fine for the first few years, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not dashboard illusions. Let's expose how BMW engines overheat silently. Police car light killer number 1. Trusting the coolant gauge too much. Most BMW owners believe, if the temperature gauge looks normal, I'm safe. That's no longer true. Modern BMWs hide real temperature behavior behind buffered gauges. What you see is not raw engine temperature. It's a filtered version designed to avoid alarming drivers. Your engine can be running hotter than optimal, experiencing heat soak, stressing internal components, while the gauge stays perfectly still. By the time a warning appears, damage may already be happening. What this causes over time: accelerated oil breakdown, gasket fatigue, turbo heat, stress, micro-warping of aluminum components. BMW engines tolerate brief heat spikes. They do not tolerate constant elevated temperature. BMW survival rule: don't rely only on the gauge. Understand the conditions that cause heat, even when warnings stay silent. Police car light killer number 2. City traffic heat soaked stop-and-go traffic is one of the worst environments for BMW engines, especially in hot weather, slow-moving urban traffic, long idle periods. BMW engines are designed for airflow. When airflow disappears, underhood temperatures rise, cooling systems struggle, turbochargers trap heat. Even with fans running, heat accumulates faster than it escapes. Why this is dangerous: repeated heat soak causes oil-thinning turbo bearings, stress plastic cooling components to age faster, sensors to drift out of tolerance. The engine survives today, but shortens its lifespan tomorrow. BMW survival rule: traffic heat isn't harmless. Frequent short city drives stack heat cycles your engine never fully recovers from. Police car light killer number 3. Shutting down a hot engine too quickly. This is one of the most damaging habits BMW owners repeat daily. You drive aggressively, exit the highway, park, immediately shut off the engine. When you do this, coolant flow stops, oil flow stops, but heat does not. Instead, heat soaks inward. The biggest victims: turbochargers, exhaust side bearings, oil trapped in hot passages. Oil literally cooks in place, forming carbon deposits. This doesn't kill the turbo instantly. It kills it slowly, over thousands of miles. BMW survival rule: after hard driving, let the engine idle 30 to 60 seconds before shutdown. That one habit can double turbo life. Police car light killer number 4. Low coolant isn't always obvious. BMW cooling systems are sensitive and complex. Low coolant doesn't always trigger an immediate warning. Instead, it causes uneven temperature distribution, localized hot spots, poor heat transfer. The engine may run most of the time without obvious symptoms, but inside, certain areas overheat repeatedly. Common BMW coolant issues: slow evaporation, small leaks at plastic fittings, expansion tank, aging, microscopic seepage. Many BMW engines are damaged long before the first coolant warning appears. BMW survival rule: check coolant level manually. Never assume no warning means no problem. Police car light killer number 5. Old coolant loses protection. Coolant doesn't just prevent freezing. It controls temperature, protects aluminum, prevents internal corrosion. Over time, coolant degrades. Old coolant transfers heat less efficiently, allows micro-corrosion, increases internal friction. BMW engines run hot by design. They need fresh coolant chemistry to survive long-term. What happens when coolant ages? Water pump stress increases, head gasket lifespan shortens, turbo cooling becomes less effective. BMW survival rule: Replace coolant earlier than BMW marketing suggests, especially in hot climates or urban use. Police car light killer number 6. Using the wrong oil for heat control. Oil isn't just lubrication. In BMW engines, oil is also a cooling medium. Wrong oil choice causes poor heat dissipation, faster oil breakdown, reduced protection under high temperature. Many owners focus only on oil approval, not thermal stability. When oil overheats, viscosity drops, protective film weakens metal where accelerates. The engine still runs, but damage accumulates invisibly. BMW Survival Rule. Use high-quality oil with strong heat resistance, not just approved labels. Police car light killer number 7. Fans and cooling systems working overtime. If your BMW's cooling fans run frequently, loudly, aggressively for long periods after shutdown, that's not normal behavior. It's compensation. It means the engine is struggling to shed heat. Ignoring this is a mistake. Fans are not a solution. They are a warning. What this often indicates: aging coolant, airflow issues, clogged radiators, internal heat buildup. BMW Survival Rule. If your fans work harder than before, investigate. Cooling systems don't fix themselves. Brain BMW Engine Survival Mindset. Heat Edition. BMW engines are not fragile. They are thermally sensitive. They require airflow, clean oil, fresh coolant, smart shutdown habits. Overheating rarely kills BMW engines in one moment. It kills them quietly, through repetition. Pushpins save this rule. BMW engines don't die from overheating once. They die from overheating slightly, repeatedly, silently. Bell subscribe reminder if you want BMW-specific engine survival content, not generic advice. Subscribe now. Upcoming episodes. Turbo survival mistakes, warning lights. You should never ignore how mechanics push BMW engines past 300,000 miles. Magnifying glass tilted. Final curiosities. Most BMW owners don't know many BMW engines fail without ever triggering a red temperature warning. Turbo damage often starts from shutdown heat soak, not boost pressure. Old coolant causes more BMW engine deaths than people realize.